Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat, mga kapatid. Purihin po natin at pasalamatan ng ating Panginoong Hesus sa umagang ito na muli tayo binigyan ng pagkakataon upang gampanan ang ating mga pananampalataya sa Kanya. Kaya sa umagang ito, simulan po natin ang ating gawain sa pag-awit ng ilang awitin. Unahin po natin sa bilang 227. Lakas na lang po natin yung ating mga boses sa pulpito po tayo. 227. Stand up for Jesus. Stand up for Jesus. Ready? Sing. Stand up for Jesus. His orders on the cross. With eyes royal banner, it must not suffer loss. From victory unto victory, His army shall lead, till every foe is vanquished, and Christ is Lord indeed. Stand up for Jesus, the trumpet call obey, for to the mighty conflict in this His glorious day. Ye that are men now serve Him against unnumbered foes. Your courage rise with danger, and strength to strength oppose. Stand up for Jesus, stand in His strength alone. The arm of flesh will fail you, ye dare not trust your own. Put on the gospel armor, each piece put on with prayer, where duty calls or danger, be never wanting there. Stand up for Jesus, the strife will not be long. This day the noise of battle, the next the victor's song. To him that overcometh, a crown of life shall be. He with the King of glory shall live eternally. Sunod po natin sa hymn number 127. A wonderful Savior is Jesus my Lord. Ready? Sing. A wonderful Savior is Jesus my Lord. A wonderful Savior to me. He hideth my soul in the depth of the rock, where we
Be hide in my soul, in the cleft of the rock, the shadows of dry, thirsty land. He hide in my life, in the depth of His love, and comforts me there with His hand, and comforts me there with His hand.
Para po sa pangulit-ulitin, sa hymn number 3, at tayo po ay tumayo sa pangulit-estropa upang para po sa ating mga